Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to monetize your TikTok account the right way. Whether you're brand new or already growing your audience, this step-by-step guide will help you unlock all the monetization features TikTok has to offer. So let's get started. First, open up the TikTok app on your phone and head over to your profile. Once you're on your profile page, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the settings menu. In this menu, look for TikTok Studio and tap on it. Inside TikTok Studio, scroll down to find the monetization section. This is where all the magic happens. Here, you'll be able to view any current earnings you've made and see which monetization programs are available to you. You might see options like subscriptions, the Creator Rewards program, and more depending on your account status. Tap on any program to view the eligibility requirements. If you don't meet the criteria yet, just tap Notify Me when eligible, and TikTok will alert you as soon as you qualify. And that's it. That's how you can start monetizing your TikTok account, even if you're just getting started. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials on TikTok and other apps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.